Hi, my name is Jessica and I'm an artist, and today we're going to draw a diving helmet. So a diving helmet is this big round kind of a thing, but then it has a front on it that kind of goes like that. And then behind the mask is the diver has a thing on his face like that, so you would see his eyes here. And then that's covering his mouth. It's going to come around and come down like that. And then there are some kind of tubes here that go into this breathing part so that the diver can get his oxygen. And those would be in some sort of contraption on his back that he carries. So if you want to make an old-fashioned diver's helmet, that's a little bit different. And those things are pretty cool looking. They have a round top like that, and then they have a front like that. And then the front has this kind of grid on it, like so. And that comes into this kind of piece like that. And sometimes they have them on the sides or on the top as well. And then after you've finished drawing your helmet, you can go back in and you can color it in. Maybe make it yellow on the top here. You're going to probably leave this part not colored in to show that there's a person in there, unless you're just drawing the helmet. Maybe you're drawing a store, a diving store where people come to buy helmets, so nobody's in the helmet yet. And then this piece here in the front would be black. Let's just pretend this is black. And their face would be like that, and the area surrounding their face would also be black, like so. Maybe they have some hair like that. And that is how you draw a diving helmet.